This is a short unboxing video, but I'm also gonna use the Rode Videomic Go 2 to record the voiceovers of this video. The box contained the microphone, the flexible handle that can connect to the top of your camera, and the 3.5 to 3.5 headphone jack cable. It has both USB-C and 3.5 headphone jack. You can connect the Rode Videomic Go 2 directly to your iPhone via 3.5 to Lightning dongle. It is so easy to use. I'm recording podcasts from my iPad. Rode Connect is a huge plus when you're using Rode ecosystem. I'm using both the NT USB Mini and the Videomic Go 2. Highly recommend it.